Hello and welcome to our first room tour in Jamaica. Currently, we are staying in Ocho Rios at the Moon Palace, so I really wanted to show you guys what our room looks like. So let's go. When you first walk in, this is the view that you are going to see. And this is the mirror that I was using, and this is to the left. And this is all of the closet space, safe. Right now we have all of our suitcases in here, and they gave us some complimentary robes. We have the ironing board and the iron up there as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this. And then let's get into the restroom. The restroom is hi hello to the right. I'm gonna open this up. And here I am again. This is what you see. I love this mirror actually. The lighting in here is absolutely beautiful. Like it really does show every little pore on my face, which is a good and bad thing. But here is the mirror, and we have a smaller mirror right here for any makeup purposes. And this is what our sink looks like. And I really wanted to take this video before we actually used the bathroom, because then it will just be a complete mess. This is what the shower looks like, very neat. I honestly wish we had a tub, but hey, it is what it is. This is the shower. It actually is pretty good. The marble, it's clean. I love the aesthetic of it. And look guys, they gave us Chi products. Like, this is Chi body lotion. Hopefully if it's, yeah, there you go. Chi body lotion. That's awesome. And then Chi shampoo and like treatment or whatnot. And then to the left right here is the toilet. So you just do this little situation, and then we have the toilet, which is actually quite convenient, because then when I'm getting ready for the wedding, Muzzy can use the restroom if he likes, which is very, very nice. Now I'm going to close the bathroom door. And this is my favorite part. I mean, look at this view, it's beautiful. To the left here, we have a little suitcase holder, which we have not unpacked yet. Look at this beautiful marble, and it's very long, so we can fit a lot of stuff on there, as well as so many drawers. So once we unpack, I will show you guys how much room we truly have. They gave us two, I think, full-size beds instead of one king, like not a big deal at all. And they have so many mirrors. Like, they have literally so many mirrors. They have one mirror here. You can see me right there. And then another mirror right here. Like, there's so many mirrors, so many mirrors. Okay, Muzzy had to use the restroom, but continuing on, that is, of course, the front door where the suitcase holder is. Again, so much space. Our TV, of course. And then as we continue on, I will show you the beautiful view. The bed looks pretty comfortable. I will keep you guys updated as to if it actually is like a good night's rest, but it looks pretty comfortable, so I will keep you guys updated on that. They actually gave us complimentary wine and wine glasses, as well as a, what is it called? Wine opener, which is it gonna focus on here? Come on. Yes, a wine opener, which is very much needed. So I'm very thankful that they did give us this. But yes, a very, very nice touch, Moon Palace. We really appreciated this, and we will definitely be opening up the wine bottle soon. Before it gets dark, I wanted to show you guys the view. Look how pretty that is. That is the ocean. It's a little unfortunate because this right here is the roof. And that's pretty much, like, you can see it. That's the roof of another building, whatever. But this is the view that we have. So it's not terrible. And I think both me and Muzzy are very happy that we're able to see the ocean. Like, that's a huge plus that we were not expecting at all. I'm gonna actually open this up if I can. Can I? What the heck? There we go. That was a little hard to do, but we have a little tiny balcony situation where we can really feel the air, which is so nice. Like, we can, I feel like I can actually taste the water, if that makes any sense whatsoever, but you can really feel the humidity and like look at this water. I will show you guys the water probably in another vlog, but the water, me and Muzzy went downstairs and it is just stunning. Like, the most beautiful water. It is so blue and so clear, just amazing. Let me give you guys a 360, or not 360, 180 view, I guess. This is the view as you go to the right. And it's very, very pretty. I like it a lot. And now going back into our bedroom. I'm gonna close this door so we don't get any bugs. Apparently there is a bug problem in Jamaica and we did not bring bug spray. Now for the mini bar. The mini bar is included. It's an all-inclusive resort and the mini bar is included. So let's see what's inside. Shall we? I already know what's inside, but I want you guys to feel surprised. Okay, so when we open the fridge, of course there is some Coke. So 2 bottles of Coke. These like, what is it called? Like fruit juice, I guess. Strawberry kiwi. Very cute for kids. I mean, not even for kids. I will drink that. Ginger ale, Sprite, and some beer. And ready for the finale. Ready? We have alcohol on frickin' tap. Do you see this? This is alcohol on tap. Let's see what we have. We have some Smirnoff. We have some Jamaican gold rum. We have some Jamaican white rum. And then we have some whiskey. I cannot believe that we have this on tap. I will let you guys know if we actually end up using this or not, because to be honest, wait, hold on, let me like actually look at you guys now. Okay, so what I was saying was that I'm not really sure if we're actually gonna be using the alcohol on tap because we are at an all-inclusive resort and this place is so massive. Like, I will show you guys how many restaurants, how many bars, how much like there is to do and to drink and eat here, that it doesn't really make much sense to me why we would even be using alcohol on tap, because I can just go to the bar and get myself a mixed drink or a cocktail or something, right? So, which is a mixed drink. You know what I'm talking about. So I'll keep you guys updated if we actually end up using the alcohol on tap. As for the rest of the resort, we literally just got here. Okay, so we have to close the door because there was music playing and I really don't want a copyright issue on YouTube. So anyways, but hang tight, me and Muzzy will definitely be filming. We're here for like the next 5 nights, so give us some time, but we definitely will be filming the rest of the resort, the restaurants, our just like thoughts and recommendations and all that good stuff. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below. I'm so happy that you guys are here. If you guys have any further questions, let me know in the comments down below. Bye.